Hi guys, today I've got a Kenmore washer and electric dryer set. I've got it set right now, heavy duty. It's moving through the agitation portion, large load, and then you've got 3 temperature controls here. I've just got it set to the middle. And there's tons of different options on here. Super capacity machine. We'll go ahead and open this up. Show you this doing an excellent job agitating those clothes. Full submersion on the water, so you can control the water level here. Fills it all the way up with water and agitates clothes. Now this particular machine, it does not have a lid lock switch at all, so you can just open this up. You'd be able to toss an extra item in there. That's kind of the benefit. However, if you have kids and stuff, this does have a really fast spin cycle, and obviously it's full of water, so it might be something to consider. I have 4 kids, so it may not be the machine for me. But there again, maybe, it's not a concern for you. Anyway, it's gonna run through here, finish agitating. I'll show you that it drains the water out like it's supposed to. And we get to the final spin, I'll show you that it's got a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. Kind of as if you were standing here yourself, checking it out, testing it out. You get to see that everything works perfect. That's how I like to list my items for sale. When I shop, that's kind of what I look for. So when I sell, that's how I list them up. Okay, we'll let it go through, and I'll just leave this open as it moves through from here on out. Okay, you'll have to excuse the heat. It's above us and it's kind of loud, but this machine here, it's draining the water out. You can hear it. We're draining that water out nice and fast. You can see it here. There we go. Heat kicked off. Now you can hear that drain running. Nice and quiet. Once it switches over, it's going to spin out that wash water, fill all the way back up with clean rinse water, agitate for a bit, and we'll do this draining cycle again, and we'll be on to the final spin cycle. That's where we're at there. Okay, it's filling back up with the clean rinse water. It's did the first spin and got all the soapy water out. Now it's going to fill back up with clean rinse water, agitate, and we'll show you the final spin cycle. All right, we are moving into the final spin cycle. It's speeding up as it goes here. The lighter the clothes get, the faster it's going to spin. Does an excellent job. Get the water out of those clothes. You can see, close the lid. Nice, smooth operation. Sounds great. It is spinning here, nice and fast. All right, I'll let that finish up. Then I'm going to show you the dryer, show you that it's heating and working perfectly, and we'll go from there. Okay, now we have the clothes pulled out of here. So that guy is done being shown off here. Now I've got the electric dryer. Clothes piled up in there. We've got the light on. See everything piled up? We'll go close that up right up here. So definitely an older dryer, older washer and dryer. However, tons of options on this guy here. You've got time dry with touch up, which is nice, where it kind of hits it, lets it set 5-10 minutes, hits it again. Also kind of your wrinkle guard is what that is. And you've got automatic dry with high heat and a cool down here as well. You've got temperature settings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 temperature settings. So great, gonna be excellent for delicates. If you have things that you don't want to have as much heat. You've got a knob control there. Wrinkle guard, you can turn that on or off. There again, that here, this designation where it'll run for a period of time, stop, run, stop. It's also kind of known as a refresh too, if you want to pop your clothes in and, while you're in the shower or something, and knock the wrinkles out. Signal, so you can turn that up or down. This is great if you have kids or anyone you don't want the signal to go off, or dogs or anything like that. You can turn that off, or you can crank it all the way up. Just kind of depends on where you want it. And then you just have the start button here. So we'll hit go. Running. It's a nice smooth operation, sounds great. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So I've got a temperature gun here right in between those 2 red dots. It takes a surface temperature measurement, so it's 61 degrees on the top of this dryer. If I shine this on the ground, about 58 degrees. So should have enough time normally give this just a couple minutes before I open it up, give it a second to kind of heat up, but we'll go ahead and pop it open. You can see it tumbling. Like I said, our light's on. There's our heating element tube, and it's getting heated up now. It's about 136 degrees, 140 degrees as it heats up. Now this tube here will get pretty hot, but the inside of your dryer, it's gonna only get from 95 up to 195 degrees as it really gets warm, rocking and rolling here. And that is gonna depend on what you set your heat at up here. So I'm gonna let those go ahead and get dry. I'll get some pictures, list this thing up. Both these guys here for sale. If you have any questions on them, feel free to reach out. I do really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.